Hello! Today I will show you how we can easily create background. Let's go to the left side menu, Elements, and choose Shape. Now we can adjust it like this, and now we can duplicate it several times. So we have here fonts, and now let's change the color. I'm going to color.adobe.com/create/color wheel, and here I will choose this one palette. So I am copying the code and pasting to my Canva. Next color. Just copy, go to colors and change. So we have colors in our design. Now we can download it as PNG. We can take and drag it to our Canva. Now I add a new page, and here is our PNG file. Now we can go to edit image, adjust, click see all, and here we can adjust the blur. And here you go, we have a quite nice background. Some ideas. Choose monochromatic palette, and now I duplicate my slide and change all my colors to my palette. Now let's download it. Now we can take and drag to our Canva editor. Here we see our picture. Now we can adjust it and adjust blur, and here you go. We have another background, and the last one, I do the same steps. Now we can download it and go to adjust and adjust blur. Go. So I hope you like this tutorial. Leave a like, subscribe, and if you want to learn more, check my new extensive Canva Master Course 2022 on udemy.com. Link you will find in my description, and see you next time.